I'm moving to DILR. If you want me to talk about it, you need to bring it. So in bar graph, 1 was 71:69. 1 was 190, 1 was 40. I think these three answers I remember. बाकी याद नहीं आ रहे. दोनों 40 थे यार, याद नहीं आ रहा सैडली. एक तो 40 अच्छे से याद आ रहा है. Men death rate was also 40, तो 40 होगा. मेरे को अच्छे से याद नहीं आ रहा. But I remember the women one was 40 for sure. Piyush is saying men death rate was also 40. Could be. Memory is not coming. One answer was 310. Again याद नहीं आ रहा. मेरे को तीन याद है. 71:69, 190 for sure, 40. These three I remember for sure. Others I don't remember. ठीक है. So VARC expected cutoff. That means if you are looking at an 80 percentile, what would it be? Well, our take 80 percentile would probably be in the vicinity of about 22, and 85 percentile probably in the vicinity of about 24 to 25. So VARC, if you getting 8 net correct, 8 or 9 net correct, sectional cutoff आराम से हो जाएगा. Don't worry about it. ठीक है. Some of you all were saying 2 or 40, so probably men death rate was also 40. As I said, memory अच्छे से नहीं है. If I move to the next one, which is the COVID cases, that's what you all were talking about, right? Yeah, COVID cases. It went something like this. So I'll actually draw the table. So L T P K. मेरे को टेबल याद है, मेरे को आंसर्स शायद उतने याद नहीं है, तो मैं टेबल बना दे रहा हूँ. फिर 1 1 1 2, then 2 2 1 3, then 3 3 0 3, then 3 3 1 3, then 3 3 2 3, and this sum is 12, this is 12, this is 5, and this is 14. I think ये था day 1, day 2, day 3. So L and T for me at least all turned out to be the same, and the trick was here that this had to be 0. This had to be 0, because if this turned out to be 1, if this turned out to be 1, then L plus T would turn out to be 5. That means one of them had to be 3, which was not possible because K was the only one who was 3. Clear? So basically that had to be 0, so the other two end up becoming 3. In the same way, the last one, sum जो है, sum 11 is something which I got, तो उसके लिए 3 3 2 3 आएगा. ये आया. आदित्य is saying yes, अब खुश. What about the others? हाँ, मेरा तो exactly 8 आया यार. मेरा exactly 8 आया. आदित्य, did you get exactly 8? 12 12 5 14. Yes. Aya. Joydeep is also saying Aya. What about the others? Yes sir. Aditya is also saying. So I'm guessing many got this. ये मैंने किया. Yes, exactly 8. Shubham. Okay, perfect. So this is exactly what I got. This is my answer. So exactly 8 ये है. Exactly 8. ये होगा 9. ये होगा 10 and this will be 5. This was basically the entire set. इसके basis में जो questions होंगे वो आ जाएंगे. Correct? Correct. So this is your second set. This is your second set. इसके basis पे आएगा. Okay. So then I have got 2 sets correct. तो हो गया यार. 10 30 marks तो तुम्हारा यही हो गया. Then there was another one which was I think that a game of basically betting, right? They were betting plus 2, plus 2, plus 1, minus 2, minus 1 वो वाला. उसमें मेरे को अच्छे से याद नहीं, but the crux was sum of every row should be 40. उसके basis पे fill करना था. So I don't remember a lot of answers. I think one of the answers was 5 or 7. Day 5 में R का मांगा था, वो शायद 7 था. AIML क्यों था वो? हाँ, AIML वाला पता नहीं यार. AIML I didn't do. AIML set should have been avoided. AIML is the set theory one, right? The matrix one. So I think वो वाला था. Betting में टीटा 7 9 और 12. हाँ, ऐसे ही कुछ आया यार मेरा भी. 7 9 तो कुछ आया था. AIML, some people are saying easy. I didn't look at it. The other 3 I found to be easier than this for sure. AIML 100% easy होगा. हम एग्जाम के बाद देखेंगे easy लगे. एग्जाम में at least I didn't think that it was easy. Not the kind of set that should have been picked up. The other 3 surely could have been picked up. 2 sets we've completely discussed right now. 30 marks सबके हो जाने चाहिए. ज़्यादा टेंशन होनी नहीं चाहिए.